So hi guys, welcome to my channel. For to So hi guys, welcome sa aking channel. At ngayon, I will make a challenge to my So hi guys, welcome to my channel. By the way, if bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please click subscribe. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. By the way, if So hey guys, if bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon for you to notify if ever I have a new upload video soon. And for to that
NANI?
So hi guys, what's up everyone? By the way, I'm James, and if bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Regions vlog. And right now guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano maglaro nito. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ito buuin. When I was first year high school, it was 7 years ago, I learned how to play this guys. So right now, I see this in the corner. As I see this in the corner, I already, when I see this in the corner right here, I imagine my days when I was in high school. So that is why guys, I want to make it a video right now. So that is why guys, I want to show you how to what do you mean by buo, how to make it complete. So first thing first, we have to scatter this. This is already complete, so we have to make it scattered so that we can start our vlog. So first, just rotate it anywhere you want, like that. And if you are satisfied with the scattered what you've done, and then you can now start to make it complete again. So for now, this is enough. This is already scattered. So I am now going to I'm not going to make it complete again, and I will show you guys. So by the way guys, my base is color blue, so this is the color where I start to make it complete. So this is the color that you want to make it complete first is called base. So I am now going to make it complete or arrange the puzzle. So this is Rubik's Cube, and I am now starting. So I will make focus first this thing. So just focus on the Rubik's Cube that I am holding. So first I am rolling it to the color I wanted, which is the blue one. And just watch guys, and I am not in a haste to show you, but I will do my best to not too long. So I already complete the base of this thing. So secondly, I will complete the second layer. After this, I will show you guys so that you'll know where I am now, or where I am, what thing that I finished. So just a little bit, one more time, and I'm done with the, and this is my base, guys, and this is the second layer. I'm done with the second layer. So lastly is the top, is the cold top. So I am now starting the top, make it complete. This is easy, guys, just trust the process. And so this is my base and this is the second layer, and I already complete the top, but the sides of the top is not yet, so I have to make it again. But this is the last one, so just don't worry, I will do my best as fast as I can. I mean, and this is not fast because I have the video on my front. So this is my base, my second layer. My top is already complete, and then one sided is complete also, but this side and this side and this side is incomplete, so I have to make the last move. So watch out, guys. So guys, I have make the mistake. So again, this is the last move. I make again a mistake, guys. I always did since the camera is in front of me. I think I'm just... So this is the last move, guys. This is called 12 moves. Sharo naman, di pa mabuo. So finally, guys, the Rubik's Cube is already complete. I'm done already in completing this, and it also, I think it almost 5 minutes when I am completing this. I'm not good enough in playing or completing this kind of puzzle. Just imagine, because it was already 7 years ago, and I am not always playing this since this is not trending today. I mean, commonly used as of today is the smartphone, guys. So I know all you can relate me. So enough to the nonsense talking, and I think this video ends in... I think this will be the end of this video, and see you soon. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you find this entertaining, and yeah, see you soon on my next video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.